I get questions about game discounts all the time. The truth is, Meta has a game sale going on every day. It's just hidden and they don't tell you about it. So watch this video and I'll tell you how to find the hidden game sales. The first thing you're going to do is open the Meta Quest app on your phone, or Oculus or Horizon app, or whatever they're calling it today. Mine says Meta Quest, so we'll go with that. For those of you that have the new version of the app that looks like this, click the store icon in the upper left corner. If you have the old version of the app, click the store icon at the bottom left. After that, everything is the same no matter which version you're running. Now you're looking at the main store and all of the apps. Click the filter icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Next, click the sort drop-down box and then sort the game from A to Z. I'll tell you why in a second. Scroll down to sale type and check the on sale checkbox. Now you've filtered the Quest store by on sale and sorted from A to Z. Click to the left of the filter window and there they are. All of the games that are currently on sale on the Quest store. Now you can see games that you already own or on sale will be included in the list, as well as games that are in pre-order status if the game has a pre-order discount. So the reason I like to sort from A to Z is that way you know when you're at the end of the list. My app runs pretty slow, so I know when I've sorted by A to Z, if I'm looking at zero caliber, I'm at the bottom of the list and that's all the games that are on sale. Here's a tip.
Here's a tip.
Here's a tip.
Well, here's a tip. Don't fart in a spacesuit.
After you've sorted the games by A to Z and you've checked out all the games that you might be interested in, go back up and sort by suggested. For some unknown reason, I get different games if I sort by suggested than if I sort by A to Z. Now, these games can go on and off sale at random days and times, but in general, new games go on sale Sunday nights at midnight Pacific time. When there's an official Meta announced sale, those games will be combined in with these other games that are in the hidden sale. So you can go here and find all of the sale games. If you have a question about Quest hardware, games, how-tos, accessories, or anything like that, drop them in the comments of this video and I'll go through, and if it makes sense, I'll make a video based on your question. Boop the subscribe button if you are interested in VR news, accessory reviews, or getting more of these kinds of questions answered. If you click the playlist over here, that'll take you to some videos I think you might be interested in. If you click the circle over here, that's going to make it easy for you to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and that is what's happening. See ya.